It's a garden update. It's been a minute. No clouds in the sky, is there, buddy?
No more.
4th of July weekend. Actually, 4th of July is over. Today's the 6th or 7th. Yeah. Drop your sign. We're just going to post this bad boy live. No editing or nothing. Just for the garden update. Why not? Let's go check things out, Joey. Let's see how the peas are looking. Not bad. Look at that little bug. See that little bug right there? What is that thing? See, he's in there. He's trying to eat something. Trying to hide out. So we got some peas right here. Looking pretty good. We might have to harvest a few today. Nice fat pods. Those look pretty good. Joey, look at these peas right here. Look at that. Not bad, huh? You gonna pick it off? There you go. You're gonna grow it in your garden? Where it already grew, actually, once. So let's check out the rest of the stuff here. We got some dill. There's some pickles this year. Dill's looking pretty good. And let's check out the cucumbers here. Okie dokie. We've harvested a few already this year. We got some pretty good ones in there. Or not, some cucumbers. Yeah, we got some cucumbers banging here. Plants have really taken off, these cucumbers. We had a little, we added some worm castings. And it's been watering about every other day. Sometimes every day, depending on the rain. But it's been raining pretty well too, so doing pretty good. We got a sunflower over here. Planted from seed this year. And we've got some hell bays going over here. We put down blood meal on these for the nitrogen and watered them. And then we put some compost on them. We're going to let them continue to... What's that, buddy?
So we can start it to grow.
That's right. Are you going to replant the pea? Hey, you never know. I won't touch it. Don't touch it? Okay. All right. We'll keep hands off of that then. You might poke me? Okay, we'll be careful. Look at the sunflowers, Joey. On these bales of hay here. We're going to let it decompose for a couple weeks, a few more weeks. And then plant something in those. See how that works. Huh? No, we want to leave them on because you got that cut on your foot, buddy. We don't want anything bad to get in your cut, okay? Sunflowers. Well, how do you think the sunflowers look, Joe? Happy or sad? Happy? I think they look like they need some sun, huh? They're taller than you? Those tomatoes are really getting... They're not sharp? Yeah, the tomatoes are taller than you now, aren't they, buddy? Wow. Yellow squash. Okie dokie. Doing pretty good. We got a zucchini down here. Coming right along. Zucchini over here. Looking pretty good. Not bad, huh, Joe? Yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? Peas, our dill. Our dill's doing pretty good, isn't it? It's growing up good. Cucumbers. Yeah, look at that deal. What's the deal with that deal? That's the sunflower. We're going to keep letting it grow, and it's going to look like the other sunflowers. Won't that be cool?
It's not pokey at all.
That's not pokey, is it? Peas are looking good. We've already harvested a handful or two of them. Got a little ant on there. And that is the garden update from this location. We turned this weeded area into some veggies this year. I'm pretty excited about it. Hopefully we'll continue to get some cucumbers, and we're going to do some pickles this year. Put up some pickles. Some garden Josiah. What's the deal? Pickles. Right, Joey?
Oh, wow,
That's cherry tomatoes right there.
look at those.
Oh yeah, look at that. Got some little Roma tomatoes there. Doing pretty well, huh? Don't pick it yet, buddy. We're waiting until it turns red. Then we're going to eat it. Then we're going to pick them.
Oh, what is that called?
That's a Roma tomato.
What plant is that?
That's a beefsteak tomato.
Oh,
And this is a cherry tomato here. See the little ones? They look like little bitty. Isn't that cool?
can I eat them?
Not yet. They're going to turn red. Look at them down here. Little cherry tomatoes. Isn't that cool?
Look. They're taller than me.
They're taller than you, aren't they? That's amazing. They're looking pretty good, aren't they? Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, we got some jalapenos here. Little bitty guys. Try to... That's a hot one there. That's a jalapeno. And that baby gets hot when you eat it, Joey. You know what I mean? Yep, it gets hot. That's just a weed. You can pick that. We had another trellis of peas over here that the cucumbers just ran over. But we've got a few peas in here. No, you don't want to eat those, buddy. You can eat these peas, though. Look at this pea over here. There you go. You can eat that. Wipe it off a little bit on your pants and eat it. That's the way to do it. Fresh out of the garden. Joey, look at the butterfly over here. Wow, look at this. Look at this cool butterfly, son. You see this bad boy? Look at him. Wow, come here, Joe. Look at this butterfly. Look at him. You see him right here? Look at him. Is he going to come over on me? Wow. The butterflies love those flowers, don't they, Joey? And here's another one. Oh, there he is. Is it the same one? I can't tell. He's flying around here, though. If we be still, he'll come over here. You going to try that pea? Try that. How is it? Thumbs up? All right. Thumbs up on the sweet peas. Joey loves peas, don't you, Joe? Where's that last bad boy? I don't know. Hey, we should put our sign up in the garden, son. What do you think about that? Did you drop one of them? Maybe we could find another one somewhere. Here's another one, son. Go ahead and pick you another one right here. See that? Grab you another one on there if you like them so much. Pick that bad boy off there. There you go. There you go. You want to hold your other hand there, that way you don't rip the whole vine down. There you go. Try those out. See what you think. Well, you know how to skin them pretty good, don't you? There you go. You can eat the whole shell, too, if you want to. You like to dig the peas out, though, huh? There you go. Those will make you big and strong right there, Joey. Packed with vitamins. Not bad, huh? Could Daddy have a bite? Can I have a piece? That's pretty high pitched. Let's try this one here. This guy.
Okay, you have
those are good.
to be careful with them, alright?
I gotta be careful with it? Okay. Not bad. Those are sweet peas, I think. We had 3 different kinds of peas. We had one that was good for cream peas, she said. And we had sweet peas. So we had a few different kinds. I wish I would have thinned them out a little more. I think we would have got a better harvest. But we're still working on them. They're still flowering up. We're still picking them, and we're just bringing them in. So we're going to get off here and pick some more of these peas. Some of them are ready, some of them aren't. There you go. I could go a little longer, but... Is this your food shop? Is this your counter right here, this trellis? Let me get some sweet peaches and cream corn and a couple beefsteak tomatoes. Oh, you just pick it right off the garden and sell it right over the shelf, huh? That'd be a good idea, son. That'd be fresh produce times 3. Well, while Joey finishes up pea picking here, eating his breakfast, we will we'll get off here. I got some cleaning up to do around here. Kind of threw things around and didn't clean up before the video, but I wanted to go live this morning. Not live, but just... What's that, buddy? I'm sorry, I'm not ignoring you. What'd you say? It's going over plans for his trellis stand here. His pea trellis stand. Story's opening it. It's a good idea, Joe. That's a good idea, Joey. You could just have right here. That's ice cream? That's pea ice cream? Well, thank you. I wonder if it's any good. Let's try it. Wow, that's phenomenal. What a great idea for a flavor. Pea ice cream. I'm sure that'll sell like hotcakes. Hey, Joey, you want to tell him goodbye at Garden Josiah? Tell him bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera up here.
Bye-bye.
Say thanks for checking us out. Look up here at the camera and wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, up here at the camera.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Put some hearts down in the comments for Joey, guys. We like to count them up and see how many hearts our videos get. He loves it. We appreciate it. We'll do another garden update soon when we start harvesting some of these bad boys. And check out our blog, guys, at gardenjosiah.com if you would. Because we write 2 or 3 blogs a week on all kinds of gardening stuff. I mean, all kinds of cool gardening stuff. Tips and tricks. That's a jalapeno. And this is a long video, obviously, on YouTube, but check out our shorts. Our YouTube shorts. We do like 2 or 3 a day. We've got all kinds of stuff. And we're real excited because next week, we're going to start adding garden quizzes to our shorts, where you'll be able to answer and leave a comment on your answer. And we're going to do some giveaways and stuff on some cool gear, some Garden Josiah gear. And if you have any pet issues, pet needs, or just love pets, love your pet. Everybody loves their pet. That's just a weed. Check out our other blog at diggitydog.blog. Right, Joey? What's it called? diggitydog.blog, where we've got over 800 blogs on there we've wrote over the last year. And really cool information about dogs. And we got a YouTube video attached to that too. So check us out. GardenJosiah.com, diggitydog.blog. We're out there. We're having a great time. Hopefully we can share some cool information with you guys. Say bye, Joe.